You have likely heard the term fiduciary thrown around in finance. It is more than just a buzzword, it is a legal standard for your advisor. At its core, a fiduciary is someone legally obligated to act in your best interest, rather than their own. This is a gold standard in the industry. It means they cannot prioritize their paycheck over your long-term success. They must act in good faith, disclose any potential conflicts of interest, and work to get you the best possible execution on your trades. Compare this to a standard broker who often follows a suitability rule. They just need to suggest products that are okay, not necessarily the best. This chart illustrates the difference in potential conflict. Fiduciaries are designed to minimize these conflicts entirely. The best way to protect yourself is to simply ask your advisor if they are a fiduciary at all times for your account. Understanding who you are working with is the first step in protecting your wealth. Subscribe for more money basics.